A day on the farm. My uncle, Farmer John, lives on a big, busy farm. He has so many different kinds of animals. I love to visit him and see them all. In the big red barn, the horses and cows live. The cows swish their tails back and forth, shooing away the buzzing flies. When a cow says, "Moo," right next to you, it's a very loud sound. It makes my ears ring. The cows love to eat the sweet green grass in my uncle's field. In return, they give him fresh, creamy milk. I got to put a saddle on a gentle horse named Daisy and go for a ride. We trotted all around the farm. In the pig pen, the pigs were rolling in the mud. Farmer John has goats too. He says they will eat almost anything. I saw one nibbling on a tin can. In the chicken coop, the chickens cluck and scratch. They lay yummy eggs for us to eat. Have you ever seen a baby chick? Farmer John collects the eggs every morning. There's a rooster, too, who wakes everyone up with a loud cock-a-doodle-doo when the sun comes up. My uncle also has a goose. It makes a funny honk, honk sound. I don't think the goose likes me very much. It tries to nip me with its beak whenever I get too close. I have to be quick to stay out of its way. Lots of cats live in the barn. They are stray cats, but Farmer John lets them stay because they are great at catching mice. Farmer John is a kind man. He always makes sure the cats have food and water. He says he wants to get some sheep for his farm soon, so he can have soft wool. There are so many wonderful animals on my uncle's farm.